Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna share this very wearable fresh summer makeup look for the upcoming Eid, and I have created this soft pink eyes paired with soft nude lips, and it's a very long lasting makeup that you can definitely wear during the daytime. And not only for Eid, this is the look that you can definitely create for any other special occasions, and it will be looking gorgeous on you. It's very wearable. You can pair it with your favorite outfits. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So in order to make your makeup really long lasting, the first thing that you need to do is to well prep your skin. So moisturization is the key to have a really nice looking makeup on your face. So for today I'm using the Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Moisturizer, which is a perfect moisturizer for using during the summertime because it's not at all greasy, oily on the skin. You can see it's a complete gel based moisturizer and it adds that beautiful hydration to the skin without being greasy and oily. And on my pigmented combination acne prone skin, this moisturizer is working really well. Now I'm hydrating my lips using my Baby Lips lip balm from Maybelline. Now it's time to move on to the eyebrows, for which I'm taking a spoolie and just brushing it through my brows to know the natural shape of my brow. Now for the actual eyebrow product, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Eyebrow Kit, which comes with an eyebrow powder as well as an eyebrow wax. So I am using the eyebrow powder at first, and with the help of the applicator it comes with, I'm going to outline my brow, at the same time fill it in. So you can see with several strokes I'm just outlining it and just creating small hair like strokes to fill in my brows. And it's a very easy to use kind of eyebrow product which you can definitely use if you are a beginner, because the shade goes really well on Indian eyebrows. At the same time it's very easy to use. Within a few strokes you can just groom up your eyebrows. Now it's time to set my eyebrows. So whenever you are just doing any kind of makeup look for special occasions during the summertime, make sure that your brows are well set, because when you are setting your brows using an eyebrow wax, it makes your eyebrows really long lasting, and you can see it will be staying really well on my brows. And this particular kit comes with its own wax, which is very easy to use. Before applying your foundation or your strobe cream, make sure that you prime your skin using a good primer. I am using this one by PAC. It's the PAC Oil Control Primer. It's a silicone based primer, but it is not at all drying matte on the skin. It helps in filling my pores really well. At the same time also controls the sebum production of my skin. As a result, my skin doesn't feel greasy or oily over time. So this is the primer which I preferably wear during the summertime because it helps in making my makeup really long lasting, and also foundation sticks really well on top of this primer. It also helps in gliding the foundation really well on my skin. Since it's a festive makeup look, I want a little more glow on my face, for which I'm using an illuminating moisturizer today. You can use a MAC Strobe Cream, which is also available in a mini version, but an affordable alternative of MAC Strobe Cream is this one by GUSH Beauty. It is our illuminating moisturizer in the shade Cloud Pink, which is a beautiful hydrating moisturizer which adds that beautiful glow to your skin. You can use it with your foundation, you can use it before applying your foundation, and you can see it adds that beautiful glow on my skin. At the same time, this particular product is a complete clean product, so it's not having any kind of chemicals in it. It will be providing you makeup benefits. This is the product that you can definitely try out. For the foundation today, I'm using, I think, one of the most long lasting foundations that I have in my collection, and it's by L'Oreal Paris. It's her Infallible 24-hour Freshwear foundation in the shade 260 Golden Sun, and you can see I'm using the YBP's blender to blend this out. And this particular foundation is going to give you medium to full coverage, but I'm using a little bit of foundation today, not a lot of foundation, because it's summertime and I don't want my face to be caked up and look really heavy. But this foundation is a really long lasting one, guys. It's a complete sweat proof, budge proof foundation for any kind of special occasions. If you want to dance a lot, if you want to just sway a lot and just look like a very sweaty girl, this is the foundation that will be staying on your skin. For the concealer today, I'm using e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer, and this is a full coverage concealer, so a little product goes a long way with it. And you can see I'm just putting just a few strokes of this in the inner part of my eyes, outer part of my eyes, or on my mouth to just cancel out the darkness, and blending out the same with the help of that damp beauty sponge. And since it's a summer makeup look, I don't want a lot of heaviness going on my face, so I've used a little bit of concealer, not too much, in order to hide my imperfections. But if you are comfortable with your foundation only, you don't have to apply concealer separately. for fresh summer makeup look, cream blush is must, guys, because it helps in that adding beautiful flush of color on your cheeks. Today I'm using this one by K Beauty. It is her cream blush in the shade Sweetheart Pink, one of my favorite cream blushes. I love the formulation. It's having a moussey texture and it's very easy to blend with the help of your fingers only. Still, you can just use your brush or your damp beauty sponge, but you can see it just gives you a powdery matte finish, very long lasting, doesn't look artificial at all. At the same time, it's going to just last you throughout the entire day, and it's also a mask proof product, so it's not going to transfer on your mask. So it's perfect for using on the day of Eid when you want your makeup to be really long lasting. Now, using a damp beauty sponge, I'm going to just blend everything out and just make everything look really seamless and flawless on my skin. Now I'm gonna just use a little bit of powder. I don't want a cakey base, so I'm not gonna use a lot of powders on my face. I'm using this one by COLORBAR. It's very long lasting and it's very finely milled. So I'm going to set the areas where I get the most oiliness, like under my eyes, just on the bridge of my nose, basically on my T-zone, and set my face and set my concealer. Basically, I haven't applied a lot of powder, as you can see all over my face. You can see a little bit of imperfection still, which I'm absolutely loving. Now it's time to move on to the eyes, for which I'm using Mars Fantasy 15 eyeshadow palette, and this is one of my favorite palettes, guys, because of how the palette looks. It's a complete, like a beautiful warm tone palette having such nice colorful shades. At first, I'm using this matte mauve shade from the palette. With a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to apply it as my transition color. You can use any light brown shade or light peachy shade for this look as your transition color. Now, taking this shimmery mauvish pink color from the palette, I'm going to apply it on all over my eyelid with the help of my fingertips. As I have mentioned, guys, this look is a very quick and easy look. So you can see I've just applied 2 shades, and to deepen out my crease, basically in the outer corner, I have applied a little bit of dark brown eyeshadow, more of a deep brown eyeshadow with the help of a small crease brush. Now, in order to blend out everything, I'm using the fluffy blending brush one more time on all over my crease, and you can see it looks so beautiful, so fresh, so summery. Now, this is the star of the show. It's a kajal that you just need to amp up this look. I'm using my favorite kajal by Faces Canada. I'm just drawing like a fake eyeliner very close to my lashes on my eyelid. As you can see, I'm not just creating like a perfect winged eyeliner, because I'm going to smudge it with the help of a pencil brush. You can see I've applied it very close to my lashes, and I started on just smudging it because I want that smudgy liner look, which looks so beautiful during the daytime. I have used the black kajal today. You can still use a brown kajal if you want more of a softening kind of eye look, but black also looks beautiful, guys. So you can see I've just softened out the edges and created more like a fake wing in the outer corner of my eyes, which looks so beautiful in person as well. Reapplying that shimmery shade on all over my eyelid and softening out at the edges of that smudgy eyeliner one more time to create that very smudgy, smoky kind of effect on my eyelid, which I absolutely love, and I'm liking it, guys. It's very easy. You can definitely recreate this. And now for my lower waterline, I'm using a brown kajal. This one is by NYKAA. You're going to still use a black kajal, but I want a soft looking eyes. That's why I have used a brown kajal. And I'm going to just smoke it out using this light brown shade from the palette with the help of a smudging brush. You can see I'm just smudging this out. Very basic steps of doing any kind of eye look. Followed by that mauve shade, I'm going to apply it just in a lower part of my lower lash line in order to match with the kind of shades which I have applied on my eyelid. Using that mauve shimmery shade, I'm going to apply it in the inner 2/3 of my lower lash line to match with my eyelid shades. For the mascara today, I'm using the newly launched L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara, and I'm obsessing over it. I have already shared a video on this mascara sharing my thoughts. It's a beautiful, like a super lengthening, super defining mascara which you can definitely try out. It's very easy to use, at the same time very easy to remove from your lashes, and it's very long lasting, guys. It's going to last you throughout the entire day, and you can see you don't need any false eyelashes whenever you are using this kind of mascara. Still, I have used a very affordable pair of falsies which I picked up from Amazon. And this is how my final eye look turned out after applying the falsie, and you can see it looking so soft at the same time, so dramatic and so fresh, so wearable, guys. So now it's time to bronze up my skin, for which I am using this one by Huda Beauty. It is a glowish bronzer in number 04, which is I think in the shade deep, and this is the first time that I have used today, guys. And since it's a summer makeup look, you want that sun-kissed glow on the skin, for which you can use any bronzer you have. You don't have to contour your face, just a little bit of bronzer on the perimeters, outer perimeters of your face will work for you to add that dimension to your skin and makes your skin really glowy and sun-kissed and nice. And this particular bronzer is having a beautiful, like a warm kind of rose gold tint in it with brown undertone, perfect for Indian skin tones. And on the days when you don't want to apply blush and contour separately, you can surely use this particular bronzer, and it will be working and serving the purpose of both your blushes and your contour. And it looks so beautiful and so seamless on the skin. It doesn't look artificial at all. So for the highlighter today, I'm using the one which looks very natural on the skin until and unless you're just building it up. And since it's a daytime makeup look, you can definitely wear this and it will be looking really natural on the skin, guys. This one is by MAC. It's our extra dimension skin finish in the shade A Whisper of Guilt, which is one of my favorite highlighters, guys, because it looks so beautiful. So when you layer it on a number of times, it will be definitely looking like a beaming, stark looking highlighter. But when you put on the first layer, it looks so natural, and that's the thing which I am doing today. You can see I'm just applying one single layer of the highlighter on the highest points of my face, and it looks so natural. You can definitely wear it during daytime. It will be not looking artificial, and it will add that beautiful glow to your skin, perfect for Indian skin tones. I have also applied it on the inner corner of my eyes because that makes a lot of difference to your entire eye look, makes your face look really fresh and brighten. And also have applied a little bit of this on the eyebrow bones. So you can see for the lipstick today, I'm using Kiro Beauty Lush Moist Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Rose, a beautiful, like a soft wearable nudish pink color, which has got hints of peach as well, which is having warm undertone. And this is the shade that you can definitely try out if you belong to fair to medium skin tones. If you belong to whitish to dusky tan skin tone category, this might look a little bit washed out on you. In that case, you can try out other shades from this particular range, which also looks so beautiful. Nude Garnet is one of my favorite shades, guys, and it's very comfortable to wear, and it's going to last you throughout the entire day. Now to just seal in everything, whenever you want to make your makeup really long lasting, make sure that you spritz on a lot of makeup setting spray on your face. I'm using MAC Fix Plus, adding my black bindi, my staple black bindi, which I mostly wear for any kind of special occasions. These are the pair of Chand Balis which I picked up from Embellished, and I absolutely love these. It also pairs up really well with the kurta that I'm wearing today. These are the bangles which I picked up from Pantaloons, and this earring is the one which I picked up from a local market. And this is how the entire look turned out. It's so wearable, and it will be definitely working for all, guys, on all Indian skin tones. This look will look gorgeous. So that's all, guys. This is my take on this year's Eid makeup look which I have created for you. It's very wearable, perfect for the summer days. If you like it, do not forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. Happy Eid to every one of you. Bye, guys.